Apple is a company that prides itself on being a company that is on the cutting edge of technology, no matter what direction it goes. To be fair, many times they've done just that. They're excelled at creating diverse ways of creation, bringing music to your world in various ways, and making a phone that everyone will buy, despite it sometimes being thousands of dollars. But now they're aiming to push things even further with the arrival of Apple Glasses. They're touted as the next big thing, but should it be called that? And should you even be interested in it? We'll break it down for you. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. What are the Apple Glasses? Okay, so let's start this off with a bit of a basic course into what the Apple Glasses are. In a nutshell, the glasses are meant to be a companion of sorts to your iPhone, a VR/AR tech setup that allow you to view the information on your phone via your glass lenses. Think of it like a holographic user interface that you can view as you go about your way and such, without having to constantly look at your phone for information. So in many ways, this is an extension of technology, one to where you don't need to always be looking at your phone, but rather just be looking at the glasses in order to get the information that you want and more. It's supposed to work off its own operating system and be compatible with various iPhone devices and such. So, should this work, this could be a true next big thing. But number 5. They've been announced for a long time. There are many weird things about the Apple Glasses that need to be addressed, with the big one being that the Apple Glasses have been teased and announced for many years, yet it seems like they're no closer to getting it. And we do mean that in the literal sense, because when it comes right down to it, Apple doesn't seem to be any closer to them being done. Which is odd because it's their next big product. When you ask various people, they'll all give you various time frames for when the glasses will be done and when they will arrive. For example, one expert seemed most assured that the glasses wouldn't arrive until at least 2023. Contrast, 2 different experts have said that they won't arrive until 2022. Or that they might even come out next year. When the experts don't even know when something's coming out, that's when you have a major problem. Which might say a lot about the Apple Glasses as a whole, because let's not forget. Number 4. Someone has tried this before. If the idea of the Apple Glasses sound very familiar, there's a good reason for that. Because we have seen them before in the form of Google Glass. Oh yeah, we all remember this. Google Glass was supposed to be the next thing to push Google products forward and bring their search engine to the world in a way without phones. And they were touting it hard, even saying in the interviews that the Google Glass would be the next big evolution in communication and beyond. But as John Oliver oh so happily noted, it wasn't. It really wasn't at all, and it's honestly not hard to see why, which begs yet another question in regards to Apple. Number 3. Why do they think their product will work when Google's didn't? That is honestly a great question that absolutely needs to be answered, and promptly. Because when you really think about it, the Google Glass and the Apple Glasses aren't that much different in form and function. They're meant to be advancements in technology, and most importantly, they're glasses that you wear on your face to process information. Sure, their forms are very likely to be different. There's no confirmed model of the Apple Glasses just yet. But even then, their purpose is meant to be the same: display information, incite communication away from the phone, and so on and so forth. So why does Apple think that this will be their next big thing? Well, quite possibly because they're Apple. Which may sound like an arrogant statement, but if you look at the history of Apple, even Steve Jobs was there. They weren't always making new inventions, but rather innovations within inventions that were already there. Which means they could have looked at the Google Glass and realized they could do things better and thus have a more successful product. Which is a very Apple way of handling things, especially with their CEO, Tim Cook. So now let's ask, number 2, what will the Apple Glasses be like physically? We noted that the Apple Glasses at present don't have a true physical form as of yet. We do have some details on what it likely will be like. The prototype that's used now, based on sources, is believed to have a plastic frame. May not be as lightweight as your pair of sunglasses, definitely way cooler and lighter than AR headsets available out there. It gets a LiDAR scanner on the right temple, but lacks any other camera. reportedly due to safety reasons. Final version of the glasses could come with some sort of camera in a different material frame, but obviously that's speculation at this point. And obviously, Apple might find a new innovation to put into the glasses to make them even more slick, more stylish, and more. We do also have reports that you'll be able to charge the glasses by putting it on a basic stand that'll come with them, thus making it very easy to keep fully powered. Without a doubt, Apple will want to go full tilt to make these as special and stylistic as possible. That still doesn't avoid one major problem. Number one, will people wear them? Like we said, this kind of technology has been tried before with the Google Glass, and it proved a very simple thing about the glasses idea. Not everyone is going to want to wear them. Plus, since some people already have glasses, they'd have to wear them over their glasses, which obviously isn't a great idea. Not to mention, depending on how the glasses honestly operate, it's very distracting to wear the glasses and process the information. Even more distracting than doing it on your phone. Plus, there's another aspect to this that is honestly a bit important to touch on. Its price. Now true, we don't know how much exactly the Apple glasses will be, but widespread speculation states that at minimum it'll be $499. If not more. This is Apple after all. So given all that, would people really shell out that money just so they could get information on their glasses? I don't know. We doubt it. There you go, everyone. A look at the Apple glasses and whether they'll truly be the next big product from Apple. You think you'll get Apple Glass when it comes out? Which aspect of them do you think might doom the product? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.